Crank no start 6.0. I got my scan gauge too. And I've took the Ficm out 3 times probably and replaced the motherboard. But something from overseas didn't work. And finally found some place on YouTube. Well, it wasn't even on YouTube, but a place online without a video. So let me show you what it's doing. I got the scan gauge too. So I'm not starting it, I'm just cranking it over. So I turn it over and it's not doing anything. There we go. Ficm main power. Alright, so it's going. Watch the FMP, Ficm main power. Watch how fast. It should be at 48. I need to hold this somewhere. Here, I'll just leave it on my lap. So watch this. I'm going to cycle again. Watch the Ficm main power. Hell, it's at 0 already. Well, it starts at 18. It'll start at like 30 or something and drop way down to 0. Should be staying at 48. I'm not cranking them and doing anything. So, let me show you what the answer to this is. Pause. So I'm standing outside of my truck. Engine's on my left. Battery, I'm right on the driver's side. The fuse, there's 2 fuse boxes. There's this one and the next one. This little thing, I wrote that one on the top, is the Ficm relay fuse. AutoZone, I think it was 18 bucks. It's that gray one right there. That's the bad one. Hold on one second. You can get them anywhere. I got this at AutoZone because they give a military discount, and police and fireman discount. That's the part number. I don't have my glasses on. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, just popped a new one in, so let's do it. Or turn it over. We're not starting it. Now, Ficm main power, 48.5. This thing has been not running for a month or longer. It happened after a rainstorm. I think that's common for some reason. Don't ask me why. I'm not a mechanic. And I did not stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night, but thank the good Lord that somebody shared this. So I'm going to try to post this. This will be my first YouTube video ever posted. So I hope I help someone because I get a lot of help from YouTube. So talk to you later.